Hello guys, so today yesterday we will discuss about features of Java and all features we completed. I can explain that all features. Please watching the previous video and we will discuss about JVM JRE and JDK and how to set path uh, and JVM architecture. So first we will learn about what is the JVM and JDK and JRE. Okay, well, we learn first about what is a JVA. First, JVA, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. JVM. The primary function of JVM is execute the byte code produced by compiler while running the program. Each operating system has different JVM, however the output they produce after execution of byte code is same across all operating system. That is why we call Java as platform independent and JVM does not exist physically the JVM perform following main task number 1, loading class file and verifies code. Third, second and third, execute code. And fourth, provide runtime environment. What is the JVM? So JVM is Java Virtual Machine. The primary function of JVM is execute the white code produced by compiler while running the program. Each operating system has a different JVM. However, the output they produce after execution of bytecode is same across the all operating system. That is the why call we Java as a platform independent. Java does not exist physically. So that is the why we call Java platform independent, because Java code we compiler we convert to bytecode. This bytecode we of, this bytecode we platform independent. Uh, you can use many system. And next important part, JVM are available JVM are available many hardware and software to be detail explanation. The Java primary function of JVM is execute the bytecode produced by compiler while running the program. Each operating system has a different JVM. So however, the output they produce after execution of bytecode is the same across all operating systems. That is why we call Java as a platform independent. Next, Java does not exist physically, and JVM does not exist physically. JVM are available many hardware and software. JVM perform following main task. First, loading your class file and verify class file, and execute the code and provide runtime environment. Next, Next is JRE. JRE the Java run time environment. JRE JRE is a part of JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK Java Development Kit. JDK Java Development Kit and its ends then JRE and when JRE is only installed JRE only installed then only Java JDK part JRE is part of the JDK and when JRE is only installed then only Java program can be run but not compiled not compiled JRE include includes JVM JRE Java runtime environment is a part of JDK and when JRE is only installed then only Java program can be run but not be compiled. So I am drawing diagram so you can understand clearly. This is a JRE. JRE and its content set of libraries and others file that JVM uses runs. JRE content of set of libraries JVM JRE. This is the JVM content of set of libraries libraries plus others file with this is GL dot jar. JRE means Java runtime environment. This is the diagram of JRE. So JRE is content of a set of libraries and others file. Other files means JRE.jar. And next, and this next point is JRE is exist physically. JRE is exist physically. Okay, I am to, what is the GRE? GRE means Java Runtime Environment. GRE is part of JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. And when GRE is only installed, then only Java program can be run, but not be compiled. So GRE is included JVM. So it contains set of libraries and others file that JVM uses runs. GRE exists physically. Next, what is the JDK? JDK. Okay. JDK. JDK Java Development Kit. JDK. JDK is a platform specific installation and it's includes JRE and others and JDK is a platform specific installation and it includes JRE and various 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 tools like Java doc and Java debugger and Java C etc. What is the JDK? Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit is a platform specific installation and it's included JRE and various tools like Java Doc, Java Debugger, and Java C, and Java Compiler. Okay, MP diagram. This is JRE and JDK. This is JVM JRE this is a Java doc and Java debugger and Java C etc. So this is a JDK diagram. So JDK is a platform specific installation and it includes JRE and various tools like Java doc and Java debugger and Java C, Java compiler. And the next we will discuss about what happened compile time. What happen at compile time. What happen at compile time? Okay. We have a Java file. We have a Java file. So this is a Java file. This is Java file. Simple or Java file. Sorry. This is a Java file and this is a compiler. This is compiler. Compiler convert, and this compiler converted .java file, and compiler convert this Java file to new .class file. This compiler converted to new .class convert .class file, और भी कर सकते हैं byte code. और this byte code भी run on any operating system. So first operating system we need to JVM. This byte code we pass to JVM. Pass to JVM. This is the JVM working on runtime. Okay, and this bytecode we passing JVM, and we need to JVM. After this bytecode we running different operating system. Select Windows, interpreted Mac, interpreted, and Linux interpreted and JVM next interpret and Linux interpret. Okay, so to be discussed what happened the compile time. So assume we have a simple .java file. This Java file we compiler we convert to bytecode, and this bytecode we this bytecode code we pass in the JVM to interpret this bytecode and run the many different systems like Windows and Mac, and then be executed. Okay, interpret means okay, interpret means enter interpreted means read code read code read read code read code read read the byte code read the byte code read the byte code by read the byte code stream, then execute the instruction. Instructions. Interpret means one read the bytecode stream is step by step, and then the execute the instruction. The full review of all history. What is the JVM? JVM means Java Virtual Machine. So the primary function of JVM is the execute the bytecode produced by compiler. While running the program, each operating system has different JVM. So however, the output produced after execution of bytecode is the same across all operating system. So that is the why we call as a Java platform independent. Java because JVM does not exist physically. So for example, we have a simple Java file, and compiler this file will convert to new dot file and dot class file, and other name is bytecode. This bytecode be independent. This bytecode we run many system, and any system we can run this bytecode. The JVM are available many hardware and software. So JVM following one task: loading. First load your class file and verify code is legal, not code fragment is illegal. Then we process B next step, then execute code and provide a runtime environment. And GRE next. GRE means Java runtime environment. JRE is part of JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit, and when only GRE is only installed, then only Java program can be run but not be compiled. GREs include JVM. It contains set of libraries and other files that JVM uses runs. GRE is exist physically. Next, Java JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK is a platform-specific installation, and it includes JRE and various tools like Java Doc, Java Debugger, and Java C, Java C means Java compiler. And next, what happen compile them. So we have a simple dot Java file. This Java file we compiler we convert to by new dot class file and others and us bytecode. You can bytecode. This bytecode we pass the JVM to JVM. This bytecode we pass in JVM, and JVM lot of process to load a file and verify code and uh, execute the code and runtime provide the runtime environment. Uh, and in this bytecode we run different system like Windows interpret, Mac interpret, and Linux interpreter. Interpreter means read the bytecode, stream the execute the instruction. Means step by step we execute the your bytecode and will we get response, the output. The next architecture of JVM. How to work JVM? First, we JVM JVM architecture. JVM architecture. Vertical runtime compile runtime. This is class loader. class loader method area. Heap area. This is stack. PC register. PC register. This is register by the native method stack. Method stack. Method stack. Execution engine. Native native method interface. This is native method library. Native method libraries method native method libraries. Okay. So what happen is runtime and what is runtime and JVM architecture. The first is class loader. Class loader you load your class dot file and bytecode, and this byte class loader and we can explain why class loader. What is a class loader? Method area, heap area, and stack area, and PC rest, and this is okay, this is a JVM memory. This first what is runtime? What happen is runtime. The first we class loader, and second JVM memory, and execution engine, and native methods, and native method interface, and next native method libraries. The first we discuss class loader. What is a class loader? And next learn JVM memory. First we discuss about next execution and native. First we discussed class loader. Class loader. First we know class loader. Class loader. Class loader. Class loader. The class loader reads the dot class file byte code and save byte code in the method area. What is a class loader? Class loader, the class loader read the dot class file, which is byte code, and byte code and save byte code in the this byte code we save in the method area. Method area means this method area means this method area we save byte code. The next method area. There is only one method. There is only one method area in a JVM which is shared among all the classes. This holds the classes level information of each dot class file. Class level information means like static variable class name data type and data types. Method area store method area, there is only one method area in JVM which is shared among all classes. This is hold the class level information dot for each dot class for each dot class file. Class level information means the static variable class name data types. Next, heap area, the memory heap is a part of JVM memory, but unlike heap is a part of JVM. The heap is a part of JVM where the object are located .jvm created a class object for each dot class file. JVM store your object. So JVM part of heap is a part of JVM where objects are located JVM. JVM create a class object for each dot class file. So heap area heap now store your object of class. So next stack. Stack is a part of JVM memory, but unlike heap, it is used for store temporary variables and reference variables reference variable like local variable local variable, reference variable, and method. Stack memory is a part of JVM in memory, but unlike heap, it is used for store temporary temporary variables and reference variable. So we can store local variable, reference variable, and methods. So stack memory store local variable and reference variable and method. This is the used for stack memory. Next is PC register. PC register. PC register content. PC register content the content. PC register contain the address of the JVM instruction. Currently being execute. PC is contain the address of JVM instruction currently being executed. PC means program counter. Next is native method stack. It contains all the native method. It contains all native method used in the application. This is the native method step, which contains all native method used in the application. And next, execution. Next, execution engine. Execution engine. Execution engine. It contains contains its content first virtual processor virtual processor and next interpreted third JIT means just in time. Next is native method interface. Native method interface. Native interface. Java native interface is a framework which provides an interface to communicate with another application in writing in another language like C and C+, like C and C+. Like in C and C+. Assemble etc. Java use JNI. Java JNI framework to use output to the console or interact with OS means operating system libraries. Okay, I am writing all that we can explain. step by step. We start off first of JVM architecture. We can start first. Whatever runtime JVM. So we can the JVM architecture. The first of runtime. The class loader is load your dot class file and bytecode v7 method 7 method area. The method area storage class name and static variable. This is the student method area and heap area store your class object dot class file. Each dot class file will store an object in heap area. Stack used to for temporary variables. Temporary variables means local variables and reference variables and methods. We can store a stack memory, local variables, reference variable and methods. And PC. So this is the and PC register contain the address of the JVM instruction currently being executed. Means currently being executed. And native method stack native method contain the all native method used in the application. Executing engine is a content of virtual processor and interpret means read the bytecode extremely and then be executed. Just 10 times used to for performance for your application, reduce the time. Just in and native interface method interface. Java native interface is a framework which provides provide a interface to communicate to another language written in the other language like C and C assembled to etc. Java uses GNI framework to use to output the console or interact with OS. OS means operating system libraries. This is the native interface. Okay, what completed. First we can review of all. What is the JVM? The JVM is okay. Minimize. Okay. So what is the JVM? The primary function of JVM is to execute the bytecode provided by compiler while running the program. Each operating system has a different JVM. So, however, the output they produce after execution of bytecode is the same across all operating systems. That is the why we call Java as a platform independent. JVM does not exist physically. So JVM are available for many hardware and software. And JVM perform following main tasks. First, loading your dot class file and verify code and execute code and provide runtime environment. Next, what is the GRE Java runtime environment. The GRE is a part of JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit, and when JRE is only installed, then only Java program can be run but not be compiled. The GRE includes JVM. It contains set of libraries and others file that JVM use run.gre.run and GRE that exist physically. And next, JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK is a platform specific installation and it includes JRE and various tools like Java Doc, Java debuggers, and Java C, Java C and Java compiler. And what happens is compile time. So for example, we have a Java file and compiler we convert to dot class file and white code. And this white code we platform independent. We can use any platform, Windows, Mac, Linux. Interpret means read the white code, extremely execute the instruction. And next, JVM architecture. JVM architecture back on runtime. First of all, class loader. Class loader load your dot class file and bytecode we save in method area. First is JVM memory, JVM 5 memory, method area, heap area, stack area, and PC area, and native method area, stack area. And next, execution engine and native method interface and native method libraries. First to be discussed, class loader. Class loader. The class loader read the load file or bytecode save and bytecode in the method area. Method area is only one method area in the JVM which is shared among all the classes. This this hold the class level information of each dot class file. And class level information means static variable and class name and data types. And next, heap area. Heap area is a part of JVM. To where objects are located. JVM created a class object for each dot class file. Means you have 5 class. So JVM created 5 objects for and we can store heap area. Okay, explain. Okay, we have a 5 classes. मतलब 5 classes, class A, class B, class B, class C, class D, class E. So every class, for each class is created JVM a single object we can store and heap memory. Okay, next, stack area. Stack area is a part of JVM memory, but unlike heap, is used for store temporary variables and reference variable like local stack area storage, local variable, reference variable, and method. And PC register means program counter. PC register contains the address of the JVM instruction currently being executed. And next, native method stack. Native method stack means it contains all the native method used in the application. And next is execution engine. Execution contains of virtual processor and interpreted and just in time. The processor is verify the code. Bytecode is a fragment is legal and not be, but just check your virtual processor bytecode is legal or not. And interpreter read the bytecode extremely that we executed just in time used for high performance and reduce time. And native method interface. Native interface is a framework which provide an interface to communicate with another application written in another languages like C and C+, assembled to etc. Java use NI framework to use output the console for interact with OS libraries. Well, OS libraries means operating system. Okay, next we to start how to set your path in system. First be okay. First go to your browser and type a JDK, download, and go to first website Java download of URL India. Okay, and next let's scroll down. Available for JDK for different system like Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. But I am installed for Windows. First we install Windows. We install for this choose 64 bits. So we can install. First click on and will is taking some time. Okay, JDK is installed and show your folder. This is JDK. Click on two time and click on JDK Java in two time. Okay, this process is taken some time. Okay, yes. Okay, okay. Click on next. Right, you can change your JDK location. We can change your location, but I am not changing my I am not changing my location for installation. We can next and install. Okay, next close. Okay, it is okay. Towards refresh that. Open your PC and go to C drive and go to program files, and here is go to Java folder, and here is a JDK 20. This is 20 version. I have I am this is old version 18, 81, 82, 11 version. So I am installed recent 20 version. You folder open, go to bin folder and copy your path. Copy this path and open your window and type a controller panel. This is a control panel, and go to your control panel. Go to control panel, control go to system and check your, scroll down, check your here this related setting, go to advanced system setting, and after go to environment. Okay, edit your environment variable, click on edit, no edit, go to your new, given just 2 minutes. So first select your path and we click on edit and click on new and paste it here. Paste it your path, here is path, here is this part, copy, edit this part, paste it, and okay, I am already using 13 to I am cut it. Okay, after we create your variable name, so first we click on name your variable, so type in here Java and this is important, and okay, select your diary, where is your JDK, go to PC and C drive and program files, and go to Java, where is Java and select this folder, and okay, all completed will be okay, and will be open your window, uh, type on cd cp and open this, run on administrator and type here Java C minus version, okay, not Java C minus version, so here we will Java C 20 version. Okay, this is completed. Okay guys, so tomorrow we will discuss about how to install IntelliJ, and we will be created first program on tomorrow. Okay, bye. Thank you.